the ultimate, whatever you want. Okay, so Kristin, take it away. Have fun. And if you've got your notepads and pens, and she's talking, I'd be writing down.
Thank you so much, Todd. Really appreciate it. So make sure that you are also finding motivated people and everything else. But what do you have to do? Less of following other people's life, right? Turn off everything else, because that's what we do. Do you know how often the average person gets distracted? Thank you. This guys, you guys know Darren Hardy? He does this incredible, it's called Insane by the Men, anyways, this incredible thing that we've done multiple times, and he really talks about all of this and gets in depth with everything that we're talking about here. And I'm telling you what, you get distracted all day long. When I'm talking to coaching members, they allow people to just come and distract them and come inside and call them all day and ask them questions all day and wonder why they can't implement anything. When you see the highest coaching members and these titanium members and a lot of high platinum members, what do you think that they all have in common as far as why their business is awesome year after year after year? Well, time, absolutely. Implementation. Implementation. Who is the fastest implementer? Tracking your business. Getting the right leaders. Like Tracy said, he didn't have it until he had the right leaders. His business was pretty staying stagnant until he hired Holly and Tanner and many other awesome people. He was, you know, he just, and that's what happened. So you got to find the leadership. You got to find the time as an agent to make sure that you're meeting your goals. And as team leaders, you got to make sure that you are being able to implement as fast as possible. Okay? That you're so move from reacting, which is what it looks like most of us do in here, to creating. Finding the motivated people. How do you find the motivated sellers? What are you going to do to find motivated sellers? Scott, you're good. You're good with the sellers. How do you find a motivated seller? How do you know that you're going to list and sell that home, and the ones that, what are you going to do with your time management, and how do you figure out the ones that are going to buy or sell the home the fast, or want to sell the home when you meet with them? Do most people want to sell a home when you meet with them? Mm-hmm. Because you have amazing ISAs, right? Yeah. So he's in Ocala, guys, small city right here, and he does amazing. He takes 4% of the market, 4.6% of the market to his amazing team. And how many listings do you have right now? 40 to 50 listings, and he's selling them like crazy. And guys, he is doing amazing. And what's your GCI going to be this year? 2.8 million. And your average sale? 250. Woohoo! Do you think he's gotten time management down pretty well, and implementation, and hiring the right leaders, and hiring the right team? You guys are all amazing, all of you. I've watched Scott through the Craig Proctor system, 100% of what he has done through the Craig Proctor system. And I have watched him, and I've watched many of you grow. And because of the implementation and things we're talking about today, and he shows up every single day. Guys, he is at these conferences. He is on these trainings. His team is on them. And that's the reason, because the Craig Proctor system is amazing with Todd and Catherine and Craig. It's just giving you a platter, a full buffet of success. And Craig has been so nice to share that with all of us. And you see time and time and time again, so many people just like Scott that are doing, because of the Craig Proctor system, because of their time management, because of their leadership, finding the right people, doing the things that you need to do every single day. And I'm just so proud to watch so many of you kill it. Make sure that you're reading. Who reads a book a week or a book a month or is educating all the time? About 20%, 25%. Guys, you've got to be educating. You have to make the time to grow. Because if you aren't growing, you're dying. You got to grow through training. You got to grow through reading, like book clubs as a team, as OSAs. I like Ben Gay is the author. Closers, #2, is one of my favorite books on how to get agents to close the best. Ben Gay is the author. Closers is the Closers, the second edition, is amazing. Read it with your team on how to close, how to get more closings. You got to make sure the productive of your business, the basics. Don't get disappointed if you get off your schedule. Have a schedule every day.